The Criminal Due Process by Sandy Keating and Shakira. Arrest. The police arrest someone based on probable cause that they have committed a criminal offense. However, the police do not file the charges. They simply provide reports and evidence to the prosecuting attorney, who then decides whether or not the charges should be filed, and if so, what charges. Booking. After arrest, the criminal suspect is usually taken into police custody and booked or processed. During booking, a police officer will take the criminal's personal info, record suspect's crime info, take background check, and take all personal belongings. Preliminary hearings are held in all felony offenses to review probable cause. This is necessary for the judge to determine whether there is significant evidence to support the charges against you. Arraignment. An arraignment is the formal presentation of charges against the defendant and their constitutional rights. This is the first time the defendant appears in court. Plea bargain. After the charges have been filed, the defendant's lawyer can negotiate with prosecutors to determine whether a plea bargain may be possible. The plea bargain usually involves the defendant pleading guilty to lesser charges. It may also include the prosecutor's agreement to recommend a particular sentence for the charges when the defendant agrees to plead guilty. And lastly, trial. While you're in trial, you're intended to have a jury of 12 impartial jurors. Both the defendant attorney and the prosecuting attorney have an opportunity to make opening statements and introduce witnesses and evidence to back up their case. Verdict. A decision on a dispute issue or a civil criminal case or an inquest. You could either have a conviction or a acquittal. A conviction is the result when a court or law finds a defendant guilty of a crime. An acquittal is the result when you're not guilty. And sometimes there's mistrials, which are trials that are not successfully completed. For example, the failure of the jury to return an anonymous verdict. Thank you for watching.